Okay, guys, we're with Andres. How you doing, man?
I'm doing good, thank you.
That's awesome. That's awesome. How did you like today? What can you tell people out there? What was something that you got out of today's event?
Well, I think today's event was awesome. I think Danielle specifically, she gives a lot of insights and many opportunities to do investments, right?
Yeah.
Through real estate. So he's a great team member to have in your team.
Yeah, awesome.
So it's awesome. She's awesome.
And then for people out there that are thinking of investing in real estate, what can you tell them about our company and the services we provide?
Yeah.
How does that help you?
Yeah, I've searched these type of services for quite a few years,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Yeah.
And the only people in Calgary that offers it the way you do is
Yeah.
your team,
Yes.
which is awesome. I think people should be, if they want to make investments in real estate,
Yeah.
they should be contacting you.
Awesome. I love that, man. I love that. Well, thank you, Andre, for coming today. And would you come back to another one? That's what I want to know.
I would come back. There is always something new to learn
Learn, yeah.
that I appreciate.